in the case of the Triumph Tiger Sport 660. The 2022 model, I'm not certain about the newer ones, but the 2022 model didn't come with a USB port pre-installed factory. Now it does have a connector to it, and it's located in here. And there's an accessory that you can buy. It's fairly cheap. I think it's like 20-30 bucks. And it looks like this. And you plug it in right here, and it sits on top of the battery, and it turns on and off when the bike turns on and off. I had to do some serious investigating because nobody knows where this little unit is. Nobody knows. And it's actually right there. There it is. It sits inside there. So here's the power plug for the USB accessory for the Triumph Tiger Sport 660. It comes capped. So what you need to do is remove this cap, which is this little tab. You lower that, press it down, and you pry it out. Pops out. And then what you do is you take the USB accessory, which is right here, and the spot for it kind of sits up here above the battery. You take the accessory and you thread the wire through down here and this down there, and you plug them in together. And then you have an actual honest to goodness Triumph OEM USB plug in there. You can see the USB plug right here, and it goes through and it connects to the accessory port right there. And this right here is the wire for the Car Pure Ride screen. And you see, even though it's connected to the USB port, it is not currently turned on. Now what happens if I turn the key? Look at that. The screen came on.